okay, we're gonna be here for another hour, so we're gonna play cards. Ta-da!
Oh. We're taking a video. I'm like, what the heck is going on?
I know, I thought you were going crazy, like talking to your camera. I'm like,
oh, she's already lost it. She lost it. Before you even got on the plane.
Oh, that's the most excitement we've had in like a couple hours. There we go.
Oh yeah, baby.
Stem cell research is pretty exciting.
What?
Stem cell research. The guy next to me, he was a foreigner and he was reading stem cell research. I was like, oh.
Well, better than the person next to me who was sweating like a pig and transferring heat on me.
Oh yeah, they were all transferring heat. That's me? What are you talking about?
No. The guy who was breathing like.
He was fun.
I could hear him from my seat.
The girl next to me, it was like her first time ever being on a plane.
Oh.
I was like, wow, being on an 8-hour flight is... No, she was just all fancy and fidgety.
Oh, well, better than my first time. I literally had a panic attack. So of course, I was like 5 at the time. I was only 5 at the time, but still, that was scary.
I should not feel.
Okay, wave goodbye.
Why?
Because I said so.
Bye.